Hello Sunflowers, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for being here. I'm super grateful to have you, and today we are going to discuss the difference between selfishness and self-love. Now let's just agree upon this fact that in our childhood we have been told that the selfless and devoting kind of love where you lose yourself is the best kind of love. And at the same time, I think we all thought that someone who's very vocal with their boundaries or very vocal about who they are and what kind of things they like, someone who's very clear with their emotions towards themselves and others, was considered a little self-obsessed or selfish. And maybe these two combined together gave a feedback to our subconscious mind that loving ourselves is kind of selfish. Sadly, that is why we all are kind of learning to love ourselves, and it's a journey of unlearning and learning all together, but I'm sure we'll all get there. Keeping this aside and coming back to the topic of selfishness, I think it's not entirely a bad word in itself. I think it has its own healthy and unhealthy qualities. So not everything is black and white. Its healthy qualities can be it gives you assertiveness and it helps you with clear communication, but the unhealthy qualities can be it can make you a narcissist, or it can make you extremely judgmental, or it can make you extremely self-absorbed that you don't care about anything else in the world. Now, another thing to understand about self-love is that it reflects everywhere. Now, imagine if you're feeling hateful towards everybody else. Maybe you have some hate towards yourself. And if you find someone who's very angry or irritated all the time with the people they're around, maybe they are angry and irritated with themselves. I think the biggest example that we can take to understand this concept is of a narcissist. Now, a narcissist is considered someone who is extremely in love with themselves. But it's not love, it's self-obsession and self-absorbment. Because if the person really loved themselves, then they would have more than enough to share. Then a narcissist would be actually giving and sharing love because they were full of self-love, right? But instead, it's like they keep on taking and there's no giving and nothing to feel compassionate or even feel empathy towards someone else because they are lacking it and they're so self-absorbed that they wouldn't mind burning out someone else. Now, I have actually written the difference between selfishness and self-love, so I'll just read it out to you. That selfishness is where you don't care about anything else. However, in self-love, there's compassion for self, and that is why there's compassion for others. So you're kind and compassionate towards others. Another thing is that a selfish person is generally not honest with themselves. So they are not honest with you, and that is why they can be too much of anger and fear and frustration. But in self-love, there's a lot of honesty and acceptance with self. And that is why they are very kind and open to others. Another major difference is that a selfish person does not care about harming someone else. And a self-loving person is very clear with their boundaries and they want to protect their interests, but not at the cost of harming somebody else. Another thing is that the actions of a selfish person generally come out of ego and pride. They just want to satisfy themselves and they are so self-absorbed that they are always out there to prove themselves, and that is why they get more frustrated when they fail. There's just lack of acceptance and too much of ego and pride. But a person who loves themselves is very content in themselves. They are very accepting about their failures and they are content with what they have internally. They're happy with their internal world and they want to keep growing internally. So their actions are generally not based out of ego. And I think the next time you hear someone saying, I want to do this, or this is who I am and this is what I like and these are my opinions and this is how I want to be treated, or these are my boundaries, or this is what I want to achieve in life and this is what I want to buy. And if you hear so much of me, myself and I, don't just tag the person as a selfish person. I think you should understand that you need to ask yourself a question, that is this person speaking this out of ego, or it's just something that they genuinely or authentically want to share with the world. And I think that will give you the answer if the person is a selfish person or self-loving person. And you can ask these questions to yourself, especially when you are making decisions, that why are you making it? Is it out of ego or is it out of love? And that will really help you a lot. And that is it for today. Please like the video, share the video. Let me know what did you think about this. Let me know if there's anything else that you want to add to this video. And yeah, that is it for today. So I'll see you next time. Till then, lots of love, lots of warmth, and lots of blessings. Peace. Bye.